Hi, my name is Jessica Oler, and this video is for SDI 1407. This video will be covering how my experience of week 1 in SDI went. Problems that I had encountered or things that seemed harder than I thought they would be. I was actually terrified of this course with how many people state they have a hard time with JavaScript. Come to find out, it may just be who was teaching them because so far I'm having a lot of fun learning and applying everything. I also really like how literally every step that we are learning is being applied right away. Using the book and the videos together has been very helpful, and I like using the two so that I have more examples to practice with. Things that I discovered or were easier than I had thought they would be. I think that so far the overall concept of coding in JavaScript makes so much more sense to me. As I have learned, you just cannot leave anything out while coding, and just be careful when you are typing. Everything is broken down with an explanation, so you know as to why we are putting these words in certain places. This helps clarify what we are doing. I've used other learning tools to try and learn JavaScript previously to taking this course that never really answered why we use certain things. It just made me very confused and frustrated. Now it all seems to be coming together for me. How did this activity fit in or build upon what I have learned so far in previous activities, courses, or projects? This is the first project, so we haven't yet had anything to build upon other than our first story that we created with bullet points. I really like the concept of making the story, turning it into a chart, and then applying everything to make it come together. Charts are very important in my life. My family always laughs at me because I am always ready to pull out my dry erase board to make a chart to clarify anything that we are discussing. Making a flowchart seems to come natural to me. How I think the lessons learned will help me in future activities, courses, and life. Learning to step back from my work when I encounter an error to take a break really seemed like that helped. I would be panicking because I could not figure out where I went wrong and it distracted me. Usually I will keep trying to figure out what's wrong and I get even more frustrated, and I don't like to take breaks. As soon as I left the computer and came back after a 10-minute break, I noticed my problem right away. I had left out a couple brackets that I had needed. Why did you choose your story and theme? I chose the process of a customer ordering a drink at Starbucks because that is the first thing that came to mind that I could break down that involves something about me. I also had just finished a shift where I had been taking orders all day, so my head automatically went to that idea after reading the assignment. This week, I've learned a lot and also learned that I'm really enjoying everything about JavaScript so far.